Guys, good morning and welcome to 4X Trading, your trading group. I'm Kram and my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. I'm sorry I was a little late, you guys. I was having some camera issues, but everything's up and rolling now, and I'm going to quickly share my screen with you, and then we're going to get right into the analysis. Okay, so give me a second. So here's my chart, you guys. We do have news. Okay, it is a red folder, but it isn't the biggest. We have it every single week. Let's hope that we get some movement from these markets. Let's hope that we get some sort of a move. There should be volatility, but we're gonna have to take a look. Okay, so this is Goldie right now. We break above our supply. Nice solid move coming at least to 75. Okay, that could be a nice 30 pips. And yeah, this looks good to me, all right? Let's see if that wants to happen. But then also look at how we're coming into some bearish divergence, all right? So if I had to go ahead and draw a trend line there and a trend line there, the RSI is showing us that the buyers are starting to get exhausted, okay? But then it is a red folder, which means that we could still have momentum sort of just pop and do its thing. So we're going to have to figure it out and see how it goes as and when it happens, okay? And let's take a look at ooh, there you go. Okay, guys, we're approaching on the dirty. I should have had the alerts on, but be careful though. Okay, we're super close to news. All right, but this could be a little feeler entry. Okay, feeler. Test it out. And if you're not comfortable, just wait. All right, we've got about 6 more minutes. If you think that you need to wait, in all honesty, just wait, you guys. I hope you guys are having a good morning or afternoon, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are. Created a new high right there. Look at that. They're running on the Dow. Let's see how this impulse closes, okay? Look at that. Dow's pushing. Anyone in on Dow? Anyone in on the dirty with me? Well, not with me, but I'm really looking to get in at any minute. You're on? Okay. Awesome. Let's see, all right? So this is, this was the impulse. Let's see if we want to get a retest and a rejection or if we don't. Okay, new candle going up. We're doing the retest right now. Okay, I like... We're also coming into a little bit of a level of resistance right over here. That's what's holding us right now. Guys, also listen, please don't be risking more than 1% of your account balance at any given time, okay? You want to be careful. These markets have a way of taking your accounts away from you, so let's be mindful and let's see how they want to play. Okay, we can take it easy. Not every day has to be a crazy day. We can take today easy. It's really no problem, okay? Have the risk management in place and you'll see how everything is going to start to make sense for you guys. I had a lovely conversation. Well, it was a work call, but I had a lovely talk with Millzone this morning. I was speaking with him about how important risk and money management is. Trust me, guys, if y'all have that taken care of, it doesn't matter what y'all do in these markets, you'll end up profitable, okay? Is there any chance anyone could screenshot the charts for US 100? I can't make the stream any bigger and want to compare. Yep, I'm sure someone will do that for you from the group, buddy. Okay, so there's no volume kicking in right now. And we're too close to news, guys. We're too close to news, okay? I don't feel comfortable getting in on anything right now. Maybe towards the end of the candle, we get a little bit of a push, and maybe that's when we could get a possible move. But let's see, okay? Let's have nasty shots down here. Alright, and then of course, bigger break of structure is going to be down there. You guys know it, okay? And we have this zone fill that could possibly happen right there. Okay, not too much volume coming in right now, you guys. They're prepping up for the next 2.5 minutes. But look at that, they're starting, okay? They're attempting to. We don't want to be caught in that last grab before these markets push. Based off of price structure, price action and market structure, we should be pushing down, okay? We do have some demand that we're coming into over here, but if we break past that, it's very likely that we're going to break, okay? So I have an order that I'm setting in and around there, okay? Give me a quick second. That's only and only if price wants to go bearish, okay? If they don't want to go bearish and they want to take it bullish, we're going to look for opportunities above the break of our supply up there. Okay, so this is Dow, and that's nasty. Let's take a oh, look at that. Goldie popped off, okay? Fuck, we weren't seeing that. Excuse my language. But that's what we were sort of looking for. Let's see if we want to get a continuation break past 75. 75 is a psychological area as well, so please be careful of that. We may get the pop, but I'm not looking for it, okay? But if we get it, I won't be too mad. All right, and then maybe we can push the 79. We'll see how that goes, and if not, let's fix this up right there, and let's have ourselves down in this region into our next demand zone, okay? I've got about a minute to go. What are you guys trading? How's it looking for you guys? Lovely. Nasty in 15 minutes display. Well, it was better that we had it on the 15s because this looks even cleaner here. Guys, risky trades over here, okay? Y'all know it. That is our neckline break. Alright, we do have our risky trades coming in over here. So watch out for that. And if y'all want to get into safer positions, then it's down there. Okay, Goldie showing bullish potential, you guys. I just don't want this to tank in the next 10 seconds. So let's see what they want to do and how they want to do it, okay? So guys, this is news. Let's have a good one. I'm going to keep the indices open. And boom, that's news. All right, so there you go. They're trying. They took it bullish, you guys. Let's see how they respect this supply. And I didn't get triggered in on this. All right, my position's right here. Let's see. Okay, if I get triggered in, I'm going to get the push. Let's take... Ooh, look at that. Guys, gold, if we happen to break the 75, then we're getting a push to the upside as long as we're respecting this demand now, okay? Right, I'm just watching the dirty. We're getting solid rejection coming in from the EMA on the dirty. All right, if I open this up, we have the 9 sitting right there. Okay, nasty potentially coming in as well. Listen, we do have some demand sitting here on Nasdaq, okay? Because even if they want to make this, if they have to complete the second leg, we still have to go up to create that leg, okay? So please be careful of this. We still have solid demand that could be coming in here. This is your safer entry into the trade. All right, nothing so far. We're going to wait for this candle to close, and we're going to see if they want to give us anything or not, okay? It's pretty low volume right now. And of course, if the bullish moves want to come in, we know where we're looking at that, okay? Up there. Okay, still a retest, you guys. That's still a retest. We're still respecting the 9. Let's take a look over there. We're retesting the 50. This is healthy if the continuations do want to happen to the downside. But again, guys, this is news. These are red folders. Anything could happen, okay? So your risk management and your money management has to be on point, okay? I was telling Millzone today that if if you guys think that you need a larger stop loss, you want to give your trade room to breathe, then do that, okay? Because the first thing that you have to do is figure out where you need to have your stop loss and then adjust your lot size accordingly based off of whatever that you've decided that you want to risk. All right. So if you want to risk 0.5% and hypothetically look at that. All right. So if you want to risk 0.5% and hypothetically you're getting in with $100 on a 100,000 account, you should be able to do the math that quick. Okay. And it's simple. Once you crack this, once you crack knowing how much to risk and you take the loss or the profit the way you should take it, only and only then are you going to end up being profitable in these markets. Trust me. You have to adapt to every single trade because every trade is different. This trade is different from the previous one, and these are going to be different from the next one that we do as well. Okay, so let's be mindful of these things in these markets. You'll need to get the basics in place in order to actually come out on top. Okay. Mill zone lesson for the day. Okay, pretty dead. First 3.5 minutes, we only got zone fills. Remember what I told you guys, right? We have some buyers, we have some demand that's sitting in this area, which is why they could possibly maybe go back up now to create our second leg, or even go higher and continue this trend up to the daily resistance. Okay, so on nasty, it could be either or at this point, even though we are coming into some divergence. The sells should start to kick in, but y'all know how these markets work, okay? They could very, very well just push it till up there as well. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? I haven't gotten triggered in on anything. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I haven't been triggered in on anything, thankfully. And now I am starting to see a little bit of maybe a bullish trend reversal begin to play out, okay? So let's see. Let's see if we get rejected up there from our supply or not. Okay, watch it. Nasty is giving us an impulse. Remember, it's only and only an impulse. We could very well get rejected from there. Okay, closed it right at the box. The Dow closed above the EMA, so these aren't ready right now, you guys. These aren't ready. Let's take a look at gold. Look at that, shooting right back down, went zone to zone, and now it's starting to push to the downside. Very fucking choppy, you guys. It's probably gonna be slow. I was expecting some volume, but not too much. But let's see. All right, right when I say that nasty is giving us a move, is anyone trading Nasdaq right now? Anyone trading Nasdaq? Anyone in on these freaking nasty little buys? You're in. Be careful though, okay? Technically, we haven't had an impulse close into our box yet. So be careful of that. Don't get caught in on a big position without the impulse close. All right, Damien? Look at that. Goldie's actually respecting the retest. Okay. That break of gold looks good. Okay. Fuck, I think we should have done GU. GU had a move. Crypto unaffected. Okay, look at that. And of course, look at that as well. We could be coming into re-entries, but now I need you guys to realize that we've created a new neckline right there. Okay, so you want to make sure that we're breaking these in order to get the push down in case they want to do that, or else they're just going to make a double bottom and they're going to push back up. These are zone-to-zone trades today, you guys. The markets aren't giving us anything concrete, so we're gonna just have to make do with what we get. And I'm out on BE. That's a successful trade, buddy. That's a successful trade, Damien. Trust me. So congrats on that, okay? Okay, potentially testing out our entry into the cells again. Look at the rejection on Nasty. It's horrible. Too choppy for me, you guys. This is... I don't like this sort of volume in these markets. Usually on days like these, I just stay away entirely from the markets because it's... Who likes trading no volume, right? And y'all know me, I'm a sucker for those big fat candles. I like him big. Yeah, I know. I was looking at the higher time frames today. Better areas to catch from here, which is why I was looking. Five's just rangy, man. We're just in accumulation over here. We had one fake out from the accumulation. Technically, the trade that we've looked at is within our accumulation. It's pretty shitty today. Nasty? There you go! Fucking hell, they're pushing up, you guys. Is anyone in on Nasty? I missed it. I'm not gonna FOMO in. I'm gonna wait for these... For the next 55 seconds, I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. But is anyone in on Nasdaq? I feel bad for you, Damien. But as long as it was a feeler, it's all good. I'm in once again. And try to put yourself in that break-even spot once again, alright, buddy? Okay. 30 seconds. The last 30 seconds of the 5-minute candle, they tell us a lot, okay? So if they want to push it right back down, it's going to happen now. Okay, you know what I don't like about these markets? They are coming down, and they are still closing up in our box, but the way I look at it, it looks like they only want to give us the wick fill again. You know, so these don't become very strong trades to sort of take because you could get faked out right up there on volume. Mill zone, you remember what we spoke about today, buddy? You need to ask yourself, is it worth those 10 pips with your brokerage added after you have these many wicks? And you should have your answer right there, okay? Damien, I'm waiting for your message saying that I'm out once again too. I'm kidding. I hope this goes in your favor, man. Okay, that's 2 successful trades for Damien. Congrats on that, my man. Let's take a look at Goldie. Too much freaking chop, you guys. I don't like this. Weirdly, GU is the one we should have been trading today. Look at that solid move on GU. I think I will be back on market open. Well, I'm not even sure if I'm going to stay till market open looking at this chop, brother. I mean, it's horrible. Let's see. Let's wait for the new 15-minute momentum, which is going to push, which is going to come out in the next about 3.5 minutes. Let's see that. And is gold selling off? They're trying to. I like this area on gold. It's a cute little break of structure. You see the number of rejections that we've had from this area, so breaking this area could be... Oh, fucking hell, right when I said it. Okay, let's gear up for gold. Maybe they close in our box in the next 3 minutes. But let's gear up and let's see if they want to give it to us, okay? I'm testing out a feeler on gold, you guys. I'm in on a feeler on gold, okay? And if I see volume, lovely, then I'm gonna get in. Okay, nothing yet. Look at guys, horrible markets to be trading today. All right, I'm gonna have my stop loss up there for the feeler at our demand zone. Okay, that's a 30 pip stop loss on $1 for me, $30 on my account, no problem. Or actually, I'm gonna probably have it up at that wick. Okay, so maybe like close to a 32 pip stop loss, but they're trying. Okay, if we break this, I'm gonna look to enter. Come on. Not yet, you guys. We broke it, but barely. Fuck it. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close in the next minute and a half, okay? Let them even give us TP. I don't care. I'm joking, I care. It's one of those days today, you guys. We have to constantly fucking stare. And maybe we get a move, maybe we don't. They're just slow and then all of a sudden volume. Yeah, that's the definition of choppy, my man. Right there, that's a choppy market. Okay. Nasty is still trying. Okay, still trying on Nasdaq. Gold, let's see. Again, same story, last 30 seconds. Maybe the 15-minute momentum is what we need, but then we could also push right up with that same 15-minute momentum. You see how in the last 30 seconds, they're now taking this to the upside? There you go. You all know where my stop loss is for my feeler, okay? It's right there. Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? Are you all just watching? Are you all staying away today? What are you guys doing? Anyone trading these shitty markets? Watching? No way I'm trading this for now. Yeah, man, I feel you. I feel you. Let's see if they close this candle though, okay? Alright, there you go. Retest. Very, very tiny retest. I want to see volume kick in now. Or else we have the early opening up in the next 15. Now this, if it doesn't respect this, is going to go up all the way there to test it out, okay? So if you're not using the entry-exit strategy, at this point you should only be in with a feeler. The ones that are on the mentorship program, the ones that are learning the strategy personally from us, they know that at this point they're only and only in on feelers in these markets. Okay, we're going to start and wait to see for the rejection. Either price could test our entry or it could test about this area, which is going to be half our candle. And if we start to see a rejection from here, that's when we start layering our positions in, okay? So let's watch, you guys. That's the retest, okay? That to me looks like the retest. Okay, like I said, we're most likely going to test that out. Nasdaq. Dirty moving into entry. It's just flirting with it, man. I'm afraid that we still have a pullback left. I think this is, it may happen now, but to me it's starting to look like a market open move possibly. See what I mean? Nasty is just fucking weirdly priming up, man. Okay, gold still respecting our retest area right there. Chop City today, you guys. Fucking slow and choppy markets. Maybe dirty kind of building a choppy inverse. Yep, that's what I was looking at, Space. Could very likely be trying to do something like that. But that's what I was saying. So in case they are building an inverse or any sort of trend reversal pattern, we're yet to make our second leg. So Look at how slow gold is, man. Oof. I like those buyers picking up the alley. I may not be saying this in a couple of days from now, but I like ETH right now. 2000. I think we get to 2000 before we really start pushing down, you guys. They've just been fucking trying to fill that zone up. It hasn't happened. We've broken multiple trends. We're not coming into any sort of divergence on the higher time frame on the monthly, however. All right. So I've been watching this for the whole month, and we've been in between 49 and 50 for the whole month, and yeah, maybe we're closing above the 50. If we do that, we're gonna hold this area and most likely push, and I think that's gonna probably round up to our 2K mark. But again, I'm gonna leave the crypto stuff to the crypto callers. Lol, I'm sitting on my demo. I don't want to lose my profits. I made this week just learning. I love that, babe. That's those are golden words, you guys. If you'll make freaking profits, or if these markets are choppy like this, switch over to a demo account. It doesn't matter. You don't need to be risking your hard-earned pips and profits for this shit. They still have 45 minutes to build it. Yep. I didn't start with Forex yet since I don't know how to do that, but I should start. Well, trust me when I say this, 99% of people on here, they came and they had no idea what they were doing, and now a major chunk of those people are pulling out profits from Forex, okay? So what I would suggest you to do is go on a Forex Academy. If one of you guys can please tag it. We have a couple of short videos there. Okay, it's nothing too much. They're just 3-4 minute long videos, and we have, I think, about 10 of them, and they're just designed in a way to get you up and running to at least attempt to start trading on the sessions with us. Don't get us wrong. You're not going to watch the videos and become profitable instantly. That's not the way these markets work, but they'll do enough for you to just trade along with me, trade along with us. Okay, and then of course, if you enjoy it and if you like to go more in depth with it, we have a mentorship program, which is one-on-ones that we do. We have over 100 people on the program as of right now, and they've been doing really well. So it's completely up to you how you look at Forex trading, how you enjoy it. But give it a shot, okay? These sessions are free. These sessions are on here. Give it a shot and see if it's for you. Trust me, man, I tried every single thing that has a price. Yeah. Forex is it's traditional, man. It's been there forever, it's gonna continue to be there. You know? And gold, this existed ever before any form of currency did, okay? And it's always gonna hold value. If money exists or not, gold is going to always hold value, which is why we see this particular security being as manipulated as it is, because there are so many people trading it around the world in different forms, of course. But there are so many people trading gold. There are so many factors that are affecting the price of gold. If some say I'm going to fly with money in 1 week, learning and taking profits, searching for... Oh yeah, man, 100%. Listen, if anyone's telling you that this is a get-rich overnight scheme, they're just trying to pull you into a little trap, okay? We make it very clear, but another thing that we do is our style of trading, even though it's aggressive because we're scalpers, we like to strip things down to its basics, buddy. Ask anyone, and I'm sure there are quite a few people from the one-on-ones here, or just people that aren't on the one-on-ones and have been trading on the sessions with me for a couple of weeks, months, whatever it is. We strip things down to its basics. These lines are just basic support and resistance lines, and The buys and sells are just break of structure areas that we put on. So we're not doing any sort of magic over here. It's just the experience that we have in these markets and the number of times that we've traded these setups. We can more or less sort of anticipate what they're gonna do. So that's why we're here. Look at the sells coming in now. It's starting from the basics, buddy, and knowing that you're in this for the long run. I've been trading these markets for 7 years, and out of those 7 years, the first 2 years were horrific. All right, I lost a lot of money that I didn't have, but I also didn't have a cram effect sitting across the screen teaching me the way I try and teach you guys. So, you guys don't need to make the same mistakes that we did because of the lack of resources back then. But take advantage. It took us 2 years and 7 years in total to be able to look at these charts the way we do now. It could take you a couple of months or maybe a year or two. All right, so it's on you. It's how much you're willing to do this. And I say this always, but once you crack this, trust me when I say that, once you crack this, as long as you have access to your phone, you're going to be left with a hefty paycheck for the rest of your life, wherever you are in this world. All right, financial freedom, that's what Forex gave us. All right, myself in cash, literally. We were freelancers. We still are technically, but in the Indian film industry, that's literally what we used to do. And trust me, man, passion doesn't pay. Okay, with most jobs and with most passions, passion doesn't pay till you get to a certain level. Okay, and Forex changed our lives. It really, really did, and we just want to be able to pass that on to you guys through our company Forex Trading. How I wish I could. If it did, Nas would have tanked. Nas Queen, please move the markets. I'm getting sleepy. Yeah. That's the thing, they're so strong right now. They're so strong. This little divergence. It's barely anything now, but I've I've been looking at Nasdaq create divergence on the hourly for the past couple of hours now. It's not playing out, all right, and apparently news didn't have enough of an effect to actually let it play out. So let's see. Let's look for reversals, or let's look for the break of that daily. 10 pips, break of that daily, and boom, we could maybe get a possible move. Space, you see what I mean? It could possibly be a reversal pattern. I love that. By the way, I opened 2 days ago account with FX Pro MT5. I'm willing to deposit money into it soon, but we'll try. Yes, 100%. That's what we recommend to everyone that comes on here first and who's trying out Forex for the first time. Get on a demo account. Even on the one-on-one sessions, buddy, so we have courses of 1 session, 3 sessions, and 5 sessions. On the 5-session course, I put people onto a demo account till we hit session 2 or session 3, sometimes even session 4. It's different trader to trader, but 100% we recommend you getting on a demo account first, just because there is a learning curve to this, okay? And we don't want you losing your hard-earned money. Sorry for asking too, since I'm new into it. I saw I can deposit money for use to, but I get profits. Can I send them back to my wallet? Well, it depends broker to broker, right? So with the broker I use, I am able to deposit in crypto as well if need be. But then again, the community is your friend right here. Ask them and they'll be able to help you out better, okay? We've got people on different brokers over here. Gold's trying, okay. Picking right back up. Guys, do y'all really want to be trading this frickin' chop? Look at that. It's fucking pathetic. You know what this calls for? This calls for a fucking cigarette. That's what it calls for. Okay. We're barcoding on Nasty. As of right now, we're trying to create lower lows. That's an indication reversals could be happening. Goldie, push right back up. Too much chop, you guys. I fucking hate this. I was thinking a joint, maybe a rip from the ice bong. I like the sound of that. I'm just kidding, guys. I don't smoke pot. I vape it. I'm kidding. This is recorded. I should stop. Dangerous might choose sell instead of a buy. Well, I think it's different for everyone. I mean, some people they enjoy. You need to find your solace, man. You need to be in the right mind space when you're trading. Okay, for some people it's listening to music. For some people it's getting some THC in them. For others it's, I don't know, freaking eating while trading or something. Whatever it is, find what works for you and use that. Is the point. Let's not be judgmental here. Maybe if we get a bit high, we can start seeing some patterns. Damn it, man! I think you just cracked it right there, Space. Meditate and trade. Yeah, sure, babe. Mm. Milzone's probably laughing his ass off right now. And Dawood too. I'm sorry about that, you guys. Okay, picking up demand. Fucking Chop City with the indices still. Okay, so we have the new Ali swap in the next 1 minute. I don't think we're... Okay, there you go. Nasty's trying. Do you guys want a new sell level for Nasty? Maybe we can find a new sell level for Nasdaq. Okay, that's good. It's about a 10 pip move, if you guys would like it right there. Or of course, if you want to wait for BOS, then you're looking at this region down here. Oh my good fucking lord, I'm not trading this bullshit. Not happening. Maybe it's time we give a little love to the 1 minute charts. Bro, this is the worst time to take a look at the 1 minute charts because the 1 minutes are gonna just entice you into absolutely shitty trades right now. Trust me, bro. I did end up looking at the 1 minutes on my phone, and there's a reason I don't have it up here, bro. Too many fake outs, too many fake opportunities coming in right now. I usually trade the minutes for London, just because London's as slow as it is. Even though London's been great lately. We've had 2 London sessions this week, and we're going to have the 3rd tomorrow to close the week nice and strong. And Cash got some really, really good pips, you guys. It was freaking lovely. And we also had a very, very good attendance for London. So thank you guys to the ones that showed up, and make sure you're there tomorrow. We're going to be there at the same time. Today London was good for DAX. Yeah, we were watching it. I think Cash was trading it. I wasn't. Could be that. Okay. Listen, I am being aggressive with the entries and exits now because these markets are not giving us anything. Okay? You guys know better. BOS there. But I'm being a little aggressive right now. I'm getting a little impatient. And I can afford to do that, but I don't want you guys to be doing that. Okay? So let's wait and see how it wants to come in. This chart is for XA. So this, okay, let me break this down for you, buddy. This US 100 is a NASDAQ, okay? NASDAQ, this is the dirty, which is the Dow Jones or the US 30. We also refer to this as nasty, NASDAQ, and dirty, the Dow Jones, okay? And we have Goldilocks right here, which is XAU USD. That's gold spot versus the dollar. Fuck, are they faking us out into another sell on gold? I'm gonna fucking I'm gonna lose my shit if they're doing that. The early momentum didn't bring in anything. Sorry, you guys, I need to fix up the frame again. Give me a second. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at, Space. Which is why I have the neckline as a break. Come on, nasty. Super slow day today, you guys. Super slow day. If today I make 10 pips on gold, I'm gonna cry. I'll be there to wipe your tears, my man. Yes, that's it. Thanks, guys. Super helpful. I know me my. There's no such thing as a dumb question. Okay. Everyone starts somewhere. None of us were born with the knowledge of these markets that we have right now. No question's a stupid question. And this is why we have these streams. It's not just for us to share our analysis and our charts with y'all, but it's also to get y'all up and running to start being profitable in these markets. Okay, so we're here to clear your doubts. And don't worry, no question's a stupid one. Today's a good day for questions, lol. Couldn't agree more, man. Okay, so that's our new supply. The only thing I don't like about this is this fucking dirt over here. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. On my phone, I do. I used to do it here as well, but then a lot of people used to get confused. Mercury. So, yeah. I try to look at it to find a correlation between. I mean, they're not always correlated. Look at that, though. Okay, they're not always correlated, but it's always good to look at the DXY. It could give you a nice, clear idea. Sometimes of what gold wants to do, and so usually the DXY and gold, they share an inverse relationship. So when the DXY is tanking, gold is pushing, right? Which is what we saw pretty much happen in this area as well. And now let's see if the DXY starts to prime up and maybe we start getting the sells on gold. But it's never sure shot. So you don't want to use that 100%, but it's always good to just see it every now and then. I used to do it on the streams. A lot of people used to get confused, Mercury, which is why I kind of just started looking at it on my phone. Let's take a look at the RSI. Okay, look at Goldilocks. Maybe we're attempting. Let's look at that break or that break, okay? Is anyone in any sort of trades right now? It's such a fucking boring session. I was up early this morning and I barely slept last night. Could have taken a nap. I hope no one is. Likewise. Hey, did you guys see the video on pips yesterday? It's lesson 1 to Forex trading. You guys need to know the value of pips. Thank you, buddy. But for real, you'll need to know the value of pips. It's It's key. It's crucial. Stop looking at these markets in terms of money, you guys. That's the most amateur mistake that you guys could possibly make. What are the indices doing? Okay. Remember what we're coming into over here, okay? 31 to 10. That could be a quick dip in and dip out if you guys are looking for that. Same story with Nasdaq, okay? Quick dip in, dip out, 15 pip move. Come on. Give us some. There you go. Is anyone taking a feeler on the dirty? Any feelers on the dirty? Watch for that if you're not sure, okay? Watch for that. Okay, I have an order that I've set up, you guys. In case the cells want to give us the push to the 4-hour support. If not, they're going to do what they're doing right now and just go back up. Got the nasty cells from the top. Beautiful, babe. Congrats. From there? Or from, like, there? Ugh. F you gold. Telling you guys, GU. Do y'all want to do some GU? GU's, it's got a pretty fucking clear move right here. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm just doing a quick top down. Okay. Cool, so that's GU for you guys. We've got some nice supply, some nice demand breakdown. Sells to the downside. Zone to zone. Alright, now that we've identified structure, let's take a look at the RSI. Sells confirmation. Let's look at the EMA. More sell confirmation. I'm liking it. Okay, now it all depends on how we're looking at our demand, because we could boom boom go back up, come back down, and then make the move to the downside. But price action. Okay, let's throw on an alert over here for GU. Fucking hell, man. Look at the indices. Huh. Horrible. Horrible. Okay, so this is what I meant on the dirty. It looks like they have picked up demand from down here. Okay, which is why we're getting a sort of double bottom kind of a move. This is starting to look more and more like a bullish market when it shouldn't be. Nasty's flirting around with our entry. Gold is doing nothing. GU, maybe, just maybe, is gonna give us something. But again, if we pick up buyers from here, we're pushing back up to our supply, guys. That's funny, man. Ugh. Listen, these sessions are good, okay? Because not every day is going to be a fast-paced day, you guys. This is, it's the way it is in these forex markets, okay? Some days are super fucking crazy. Other days are slow. We'll still bank our pips, or even if we don't, it's all good because we'd rather protect our accounts for another day than get into stupid trades, okay? So it is what it is, and you guys better get used to these markets being this way sometimes. Okay, we're building supply over here as well. Alright, so we're building some supply over here. Entries going back still look good. Alright, and you're probably going to get that fill. It's about a 20 pip move. So re-entries if they want to happen. Fucking hell, it's such a slow session. I see people leaving one by one. Literally. Okay, looks like this double bottom is starting to play out, okay, guys? GU is starting to short. Let's look at GU. GU looks like it wants to give us a move. Okay, so we just had some news folders release right now as well. Medium impact folders. We had some Canadian news. Okay, close, retest, let's see. Okay, I'm setting an order, you guys. I'm setting an order for this. Or no, I'm not gonna have the time to. I may have to be trigger finger. There you go. Alright, come on, give me a couple of, give me some volume. We break that wick, and we're looking to push, okay? Nope, not happening. They're gonna go back up, retest this as supply, make sure it's supply, and then come back down. Okay, so jobless claims, I was just checking it out and I reckon it's come back worse as expected. Which is why we're seeing the DXY tank Mercury. And which is also why, in this case, we're seeing the indices try to prime to the upside. But we could have a little bit of a labored effect, and we could start to get the move maybe for market open. What do you guys think we're gonna do for market open? Do you think we're gonna, are we buying or are we selling? It's I always enjoy knowing what you guys think as well. What do y'all think we're doing? So, yeah. Buy, sell, sell. Now we sell in too many double tops. HS. Yeah, I think ideally we should be selling this market, but you never know, man. You never know. They could literally just go right ahead and and start priming this to the upside. GU is catching support, I reckon. There you go. Okay, so now we're retesting half that candle again. Okay, and it's also our EMA that we're testing. It's the 9. Okay, so we could go up. And again, it lines up with perfectly half that candle and the previous resistance from here. Okay, now they're finally making their... I told you guys they have to go up there and then push back down. So maybe they're just fucking barcoding though. Do you all see that? This is known as barcoding. Back, forth, back, forth, back, forth. It's pathetic to be trading this. Mm-hmm. Maybe one more push to the upside, then tank. Yep, could be. Could be Mercury. We still have about 11 minutes to market open, you guys. The session's been an absolute fucking dud. Um, Probably one of the slowest sessions we've had yet. And it is what it is, though. Okay, there's always another day. There's always gonna be. You'd rather have no trades than have a stupid risky trade. Okay, December feelings right here. I know, right? This today in general seems worse than December because we were still making pips in December, but this today's giving us nothing, literally nothing. All right, so 10 more minutes to go. Um, okay, and they're holding right back at the trend line. Okay. Guys, if anyone's new on here, BR for example, if and I see a couple of new names here as well. If you guys have any questions, feel free, because now's the time. Okay, now's the time. It's a boring session. This rather be an educational one than an actual trading one. If we get the moves, we get the moves. If we don't, and you'll have any questions, I am here to clarify things for you. And please don't message me because I don't reply to DMs. I really don't. They're full, and I try to keep the DMs strictly for the one-on-ones in the mentorship program. Okay, so any sort of questions, you guys have me in front of y'all. I'm live right here. I know y'all can't see me, but trust me, I am here. And now's the time if y'all have any questions. You getting back in the nasty cash when it tops out again? She better not be doing that. I'm not looking for buys in this market. I'll only cat sells. Good stuff. Look at that. Mm-hmm. Oh, you meant the sells? How to determine the number of pips? we should be aiming for in a day. Set your own goal. It could be 10 pips, it could be 20, it could be 30, it could be 50. I started my trading journey with a 50 pip a day goal. When I say started my trading journey, I mean after I got through those 2 years and after I did all of the crap that I did to start actually being profitable, I started professionally by making 50 pips a day. I started with using so Cash and I were also working towards a strategy whilst all of this was happening, so both of us were sort of figuring it out together. But I pretty much started with $1, guys, and I first cracked making $50 a day. That's what I cracked. $1 a pip with 50 pips. I didn't have multiple positions. I didn't have anything of that sort because I truly, truly, truly believe you make 50 pips a day and then just change your lot size, guys. And that is the easy part, okay? But what's hard is actually cracking the art, right? It's actually getting in and getting out of these trades, being able to use the right risk management in terms of pips, not in terms of money, but the right risk management in terms of pips. And when you get that, no one can stop you from making money in these markets. Kurt, what do I tell you about gold, my man? Like, there's nothing to tell about this, literally. Look at that. The freaking chopsticks is what is what they are. Can I choose the amount that I'm gonna enter with? Like, for example, I have 100. So we risk lots in terms for pips over here. Okay. Do we have a video on lots, you guys? Do we on Forex Academy, do we have a video on lots? We haven't updated that in a while. It's been quite some time. But we basically over here we use lots. We risk lots for pips. So usually there's a nano lot which is a 0.01. It differs broker to broker, but a 0.01 lot is usually 10 cents a pip. A 0.1 lot is $1 a pip, and a 1.0 lot is $10 a pip. And then every whole number change that you see on here is 1 pip. So 12,907 to 12,910 is 3 pips. And if you would have gotten in with a 1.0, which is $10 a pip for 3 pips, you would have made. I hope you have your answer. Yes, correct. It's different. What Buff said. It's different. It's different broker to broker. Correct. How to choose the right lot? There's no way to sort of say that in a general way because it is very, very personalized to your account. So your lot sizing is it depends on the trading plan that you have with your account. Are you risking 0.5%? Are you risking 1%? Are you risking 2%? Are you risking 0.25%? It's multiple things. Look at that. It's multiple things that that have to be taken into consideration when deciding your risk management and how many lots you're going to be spending in these markets. Test it and calculate how much you make per pip, then you know what lot to use. Lovely. Absolutely, my man. Okay, so Nasty is still priming up. Not looking for any buys. Not if we break the 930, then yeah, for sure. Oh, fucking hell. I hate you guys. Why didn't you guys tell me about gold? Why didn't... Come on. Come on, you guys. I even deleted my auto over here, so I got triggered in on nothing. This is horrible. I missed it. Okay, it's fine. Maybe it's only a fake out and we have 4 more minutes to news, so maybe this is a good thing. Okay. We're gonna get a bounce back from gold over here, possibly. Or, no, we could push down, guys. We could push down. If they hold, we could push down to the 4.8 support. Fuck, look at GU. GU's priming up. Definitely gonna try and sell the top. Horrible markets. Tell me about it, Kurt. There's no footage for you to edit on this one, my man. Ugh, do you see that fucking rejection? Oh man. Damn it, man. I hate this. Ah! Fuck, I'm sorry, guys. I've been talking for a really long time. Um, what did y'all hear last? I'm sorry. I think I got muted from my headphones. Oh, you heard the scream? Okay, the scream was so impactful that it actually muted my fucking mic. Yeah, but I wasn't complaining, but I was kind of complaining about gold. Oh, there. I did it again for you guys. Let's try and break down from here and let's get that fucking move, man. Let's fucking get it. Let's get it. We're probably gonna bounce back though for market open now. Maybe not. What do you guys want to watch for market open? Are we doing gold indices or are we doing GU? Okay, so we can have both of these open on a chart. Okay, cells are starting to maybe look good. Goldie's looking nice and juicy as well. Stay away from the indices. Let's not look at the indices. One of two things is going to happen here, okay, you guys? We've got 15 seconds. One of two things is going to happen. You're going to break down and go boom, 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 or you're going to break down and take support and go up. Or it's going to just pick up demand from here and push right up, okay? So let's be mindful of this. Let's have a good market open. This is it, you guys. Are you serious right now? I thought the candles were gonna fill the silence, but apparently not. What the fuck is going on? Um. Okay. Okay. There you go. There you go. Some movement somewhere. Okay, let's see if they pick up support from here and then they could maybe push for a continuation. Too much divergence on this, you guys. I can't be fucking trading divergence. It's not the way I trade these markets. If we start shorting this market 100%, I'm gonna jump right in. This breakdown here, it looks pretty cute. Okay. I'm watching Goldie right now. Okay, watch for that. Watch for that. Fuck, I don't know what to keep open. Ah, fuck it. Okay, I am watching gold on my MetaTrader. We are trying. Good lord, what a shitty day. Okay. My dirties, y'all should be in and y'all should be trying to capitalize on this. Okay, but y'all know that y'all don't want to be getting in any sort of big positions, not on this first candle, okay? Because now they could come down, pick up a lot of sellers over here, and then just wake right back up and make this a bullish move. Okay, so that's a possibility. Let's keep that in mind. Look at that dirty ass wick on nasty. Maybe the dirty follows through. Gold's going bullish as well. We're having a retest. Are you guys in any trades, or are you all chilling like me today? Is anyone in anything right now? Anything at all? Nope. Nope. There's nothing for us to take today, you guys. Okay, so I reckon this is such a boring session that just Damien's trading along with me. It's either, oh, boom, boom, look at that. Trying to break down. Okay, there you go. That's good. All right, anyone maybe looking at the dirty or attempting to try and get in on the dirty, I would recommend you guys to just wait for this candle to close. That would be my personal recommendation. Okay, wait for a candle to close in our box. I'm looking at Goldie, solid rejection coming in on gold, guys. I want to get triggered in on this trade. I want to be able to bank. I'm good with a couple of hundred, and I'm gonna call it a session. This chop city needs to fucking end. Stopped at BE joining Damien. Good. Dirty? What's dirty doing? Yeah, they're trying. Okay, dirty's giving the move though. Anyone in on dirty? Anyone in on the Dow Jones? We're attempting to go and hit TP. But it's just every time we make a new low, they have this massive ass wick, okay? Which tells me that there are buyers. Fucking hell, gold went back up. Retest on the dirty. You're coming into your 4-hour support there, guys. Please keep that in mind. Okay, whilst this is happening, Cash, how many spots do we have left open for this week? Do we have any intakes left, or did you get them booked in? For the one-on-ones, babe. Cash. 1. Okay, she said it. Only 1 left for this week. We have an intake open for the one-on-ones, you guys. So if y'all want to be learning about these markets, and personally, if you want to be mentored by me into your trading journey, then you can go ahead and get booked up. We go in detail, in depth, with the market movements, and of course we go in depth with our profitable forex trading strategy. Okay, so if you guys are looking to take your trading to the next level, or if you're just looking to learn about these markets, hit us up. We have 1 spot left. I'm not going to be doing the one-on-ones for too much longer. I just want to put that out to you guys. It's a lot of work, and with everything kicking off with forex trading, our company, I'm not going to be doing it regularly. Okay, so I'll probably be opening it up in batches for you guys. But for now, it's pretty much going to be having 1 intake per week. Okay, so if you guys want to get booked up, or if you want to inquire, just message either me or message Cash. Okay, and either of us will help you get booked in. Guys, I'm just gonna fucking call it a session, man. Like, there's nothing happening. We're just sitting. Imagine me, alright, and I'm a fucking talker, okay? I I'm running out of things to say today. That's how boring these markets are. Y'all know me. I can literally keep talking for like 3 hours at a stretch, and I'll be fine. I'll keep you guys entertained. But this is leaving me speechless as well. I'm just gonna wait for another 7 minutes and I'm gonna call it, okay, you guys? 7 minutes. That's about it. Nothing more. Yeah. We are gonna have a move, babe. I'm sure we're gonna have a move, but it's gonna happen when we end the session. Trust me. It always does. Why the fuck are they waking this guy back up? They have this whole range to sort of play in, or you could start looking at that zone fill, okay, guys? Okay. Okay, watch for that, watch for that. Let's take a look at gold, not doing anything. GU not doing anything. ETH 1800. Come on. Come on. There you go. Break past that. Break past it. Break past it. Break past it. Of course. Why would they do that for us? Probably have to go back up. Retest. Let's see, maybe the 15-minute brings in some momentum, okay? So guys, I'm just gonna stay on for another 5 minutes. I do have a one-on-one that I have after this call. Should just not trade today, I guess. 100%, my man. 100%. Look at this, right? We've got an impulse, 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 but nothing's closed. The one that closed gave us a small little trade, but apart from that, nothing's closed. Very, very rangy today, Raul. Hey, congrats. Good stuff. Good stuff. Did you get in on the sells? Oof. Solid rejections coming in. They're gearing up for something, you guys. They really are, okay? Now, when it happens is going to be the issue. Guys, I'm watching... No one's trading nasty, right? Oopsie. Okay. Nasty is in the middle of nowhere, so I'm not looking at it now. It's probably going to consolidate some more, you guys. We need to create another leg over here. But listen, if this doesn't happen in the next 3 minutes, y'all know what y'all are looking for. 4H support. Okay? That's what we're looking for. U30 rejecting. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's see, we could still get a little bit of a pop. What the fuck is going on with Nasdaq, man? We've just been in this solid uptrend. That's all we've been doing. This is... Look at that. Look at this, you guys. All the way from here. Alright, this is Tuesday night for us. We've just been in a solid uptrend since. The only one that's trying to give us a move is GU, and how much of a move did it give us, guys? 3 pips. I fucking love it. 3 pips on GU. Who caught 3 fucking pips on GU? Your Lambo should be giving you 1 pip right now, okay? That should have been your Lambo entry. You should be running by a pip right now. Fucking stupid. Finally, gold. Gold. I guarantee you, we're gonna pick up another wick from him. I'm telling you guys now. I'm telling y'all. Oh, you're gonna pick up a fucking wick? You go. Okay, that's the wick. That's it, you guys. Maybe I do have a magic ball in front of me, huh? Stupid, stupid, stupid. Guys, 1 more minute and we'll call it a session, okay? This is ridiculous. We're wasting our time away. Look at that. Okay, the dirty still. Maybe, I don't know, maybe. Doesn't seem like they want to do it, but just maybe. Okay? Okay. Alright, the markets are proving cram effects wrong, you guys. Let's try and close below that fucking line, and I happily will be wrong and hop on to this trade, okay? They heard you say you have a magic ball? Yeah, man, 100%. Okay, they're closing. Not bad, not bad. Let's see if they're gonna have a retest rejection. Okay, there you go. Let's take a look at Goldie as well. Let's take a look at US 30 as well, my bad. Look at that. Alright, and I'm in on US 30. Okay, I'm in with a medium-sized position, nothing too big. I'm gonna look for a break. I can hold this to even up to -5, 10 pips. It's not an issue. I'm running by about 2 pips right now in profit. There you go, boom, okay. 3 pips in profit. Come on, give me 5 pips, man. These markets are being really, really, really stingy with their pips today. I'm running by 3 pips, you guys. I'm gonna change this to break even, okay? I don't feel comfortable. 32875. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It is what it is. Yeah, fucking hell. Usually is boom 50 pips, yeah. Yeah, man. And of course we're wicking right back up. And look at that bull fucking shit on gold. Okay, guys, today was an awesome session. Alright, listen. To me, this was an awesome session because I'll tell you guys why. Y'all have probably got more value from today's session than y'all have from any other session. And the reason for that is today you guys experienced discipline. Today you guys have experienced not taking a trade. And that's the hardest thing to do as a trader. Not taking a trade. Okay? The retail, the beginners, the newbies, everyone wants to keep taking as many trades as they can. And before they know it, they've basically either blown their account or they're just can't be handling those many trades. So one or the other is going to lead to you losing your account or you losing your money. All right. Today's session has taught you guys discipline. It's taught you guys not to just hit buy and sell. It's taught you guys to wait in these markets for the right opportunity, which these markets didn't present in front of us today, and that's fine because we'd rather keep our accounts safe than we'd rather keep our accounts safe than end up losing our accounts. I hope you guys agree with me. I hope you guys understand that, because if y'all don't, it's going to take y'all time and y'all are going to have to learn the hard way that this is the way these markets are. I'll take my 3 win. Stacking them candy bars. That's good stuff, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate the session. Hey, if this was your first session, you definitely picked up a lot of value from this, but I promise you our session's a lot more fun, okay? So join us tomorrow, join us from Monday, and be there, and you're going to see me go ballistic. I promise you that. All right, but guys, anyway, it is what it is. No trades today. I'm not going to put on any... Actually, we did have some trades, yes, so I am going to put on some of my success stories, but it's not going to be the best. It is what it is. I don't have profits to go with it today because I haven't made any profits. If I make something on the dirty on this trade, I'll let you guys know. I'm right about break even, -1, -2 pips right now, so it is what it is. But if the move comes down and I look to get into this, then I will, fuck it, okay? Okay. Let's give it 1 more minute. Let's give it this candle close. Okay, I think that's fair. We waited for so long. We can definitely give it 1 more candle close. And if it closes above our box, that's it, you guys. We're calling it, okay? I mean it this time. A minute to go. Okay, and if this wants to happen, we're looking at that. GU didn't do shit. Gold? Gold? Good rejection on gold, you guys. Watch that. Watch for that. Okay, so now when we're fucking calling the session off, they want to come in. Yeah, no, I don't think it's going to happen. Yep. Doesn't seem like it's going to happen. All right, guys. Anyway, thank you all so much. Listen, we're building an army of millionaires, okay? If you haven't done your due diligence yet, then go ahead, jump onto Forex Academy, watch the videos on there. We've made the videos as short as possible. Watch them, and you'll be ready to start trading with us tomorrow or Monday. Okay, thank you guys so much, and like we said, 1 spot left for the one-on-ones. Make sure to message either Cash or myself, and we'll get it done for you guys. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. We're going to be doing London tomorrow, so we'll catch you guys for both London and New York, and just have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, or night, whatever it is, wherever you are, you guys. Thank y'all so much. Go on and put on some Twitter posts for us, okay? Let people know that even when the markets don't move too much, we're still chilling over here and we're still fucking learning from each other over here, okay? So let people know that. Put on some Twitter posts, put on some success stories. Make sure to tag Cram, Cash, and Project Whitelist, okay? Thank you guys so much. Have a great rest of the day. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Message us for that 1 spot on the one-on-ones, you guys. Bye. Have a good one.